Hi, in this video we're going to look at using the Microsoft Office app on a phone to scan a printed out image into a table in Excel. So here we have our invoice printout ready to be scanned. So we just need to launch our Office app, come into Actions and into Image to Table. Here we just need to get centered over the table, and there we go, we've processed through. We just need to select done, and the AI processing will kick in and this will convert it into a table. There we go, so our table has been read in. Notice we've got some X's, sort of red boxes around here. We can come in and just check and edit those if we need to, or we can just go ahead and use Open in Excel in the bottom left there, just warning me I've got some items to review. I can either review or just open anyway. I'm just going to open anyway, and there we are, we're in Excel. If I just come away from the Excel, it's going to ask me whether I want to save that Excel, and then I can select save to OneDrive, and then I can access that on my desktop PC. So there we go, scanning through from a printed out image into Excel, and obviously it will work with any sort of tabular view on any print that you have.